How to swap Solana to Ethereum on Phantom Wallet. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can swap Solana to Ethereum on Phantom Wallet. For this, you want to open the Phantom app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now, if you want to swap, you want to tap on the swap icon at the bottom of your screen. Now on the UPay section, tap on this, and from here you want to select the Solana option. After this, on the You Receive tab, tap on this option over here. Now from here, if you try to select Ethereum and then if you enter the amount, then it is going to show you some error response over here. That is because as of now, you cannot directly swap Solana to Ethereum on Phantom Wallet. You can try to swap Solana into another currency, but Ethereum is not available as of now. So instead, what you want to do is, first of all, you want to send your Solana to any other centralized exchanges such as Binance. So for this, on the home screen, tap on the send option. Here, tap on the Solana option. Now you will have to enter the address over here. To find the address, you want to open up Binance on your device. You can use any other centralized exchange as well, but I'm going to use Binance. Now from here, you want to tap on the option of trade, then tap on the deposit option. Now you want to select Solana from here. So search for Solana over here. Now you want to choose your network. After that, you will find the deposit address over here. Simply copy that deposit address and then head back over here and paste it. Then tap on the next option. After this, you will have to select the network. Make sure that you select the same network that you selected in the Binance app. Then you will have to enter the withdrawal amount. Now complete the process of sending Solana from your Phantom wallet to Binance. Once it has been sent to Binance, you want to open the Binance app on your device. Now over here, you want to tap on this Binance icon at the top left corner of your screen. From here, tap on the convert option. Now in the from section, you want to tap on this. Go ahead and search for Solana over here. Then in the to section, you want to search for Ethereum over here. Now go ahead and enter the amount over here that you want to swap. Then go ahead and tap on the trade option over here, and in this way you can swap Solana to Ethereum. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.